Number 1. SR2. The Japanese have developed an enormous walking robot, roughly the size of a car. This colossal creation, measuring 3.4 meters in length, has the capacity to comfortably transport 4 individuals. The company responsible for its construction specializes in amusement rides, and this is no coincidence. The robot, named SR2, moves at a leisurely pace, yet it can perform maneuvers like squatting, turning around in one spot, and bringing joy to both onlookers and its passengers. It can be operated remotely. Although it's still a far cry from the Star Wars Ad Walker, similar robots might find their way into amusement parks. The potential exists for the next model to be even larger, though the SR2, standing at 1.9 meters tall, is already an impressive sight. Number 2. Portable fire extinguishers. A robust foundation isn't only reserved for lively gatherings and noisy vehicles, it can also play a role in extinguishing fires. Students from George Mason University in the US have developed a sound-based fire extinguisher. While the concept itself isn't novel, their extinguisher stands out for its compact design and efficient performance, successfully extinguishing burning alcohol in tests. The most effective method involves employing sound frequencies ranging from 30 to 60 Hz. Remarkably, the students accomplished this project with a budget of just $600, envisioning the installation of these fire extinguishers on drones. Number 3. Tid Ross Todd, TRT. Many individuals aspire to transport not only their belongings, but their entire household when relocating. In response to this need, the New Zealand company Tid Ross Todd, TRT, has introduced trailers specifically designed for such purposes. One of these trailers can stretch to an impressive length of 23 meters and boasts a substantial weight capacity of 58 tons. Featuring double-axle steering and a torsional box system that enhances strength by 40%, these trailers are equipped with hydraulic jacks for each wheel. This enables the trailer to lower to ground level or be elevated to a height of approximately 2.8 meters. The operator has the convenience of remotely controlling the trailer. Number 4. Matador Droplet. Meanwhile, the American company Matador presents a compact stuff sack that can conveniently attach to your keychain, available at a price of $17. This design is tailored for individuals who frequent pools or beaches. Prior to taking a swim, you can use the stuff sack to safeguard your smartphone, wallet, and other items that need to remain dry. It proves especially useful for containing damp items like a swimsuit or swim trunks after your swim. With a capacity of 2.5 liters and a light weight of only 23 grams, the stuff sack is constructed from nylon with a silicone body for the case. Additionally, it includes a stainless steel component. Number 5. Miller Safe Escape, presenting another compact and extremely practical solution known as the Miller Safe Escape. This device proves indispensable when descending from considerable heights, making it particularly suitable for high-rise installers. Capable of supporting weights up to 250 kilograms, it comes equipped with a 50-meter rope. Delivering a commendable speed of 1 meter per second, the Miller Safe Escape operates effectively within a temperature range from 50 to -50 degrees. Number 6. Easy Maker. A conventional king-size mattress generally falls within the weight range of 30 to 50 kilograms. Lifting it can be a challenge for most individuals, especially when changing bed linens, mattress pads, and covers, which can feel like an unexpected workout. Fortunately, The Easy Maker team has devised a solution. They've introduced a pneumatic mattress jack designed to handle weights of up to 453 kilograms. This device streamlines the process of raising and lowering the mattress, completing the task in just 1 minute. Additionally, if you happen to forget to remove the jack, it will automatically lower the mattress and switch off after 8 minutes. You can acquire an Easy Maker for $134. Number 7. Outmore Living. The team at Outmore Living holds the belief that there is something enchanting about being outdoors. With their range of furniture, you can savor the beauty of nature throughout the entire year. What makes this experience possible is the incorporation of built-in heating in their chairs and sofas, which warm up quite rapidly in approximately 60 to 90 seconds. You have the flexibility to adjust the temperature, maintaining it anywhere from 49 to 29 degrees Celsius. However, it's worth noting that the setup process is not simple. For instance, the teak sofa has a substantial weight of 45 kilograms. Despite the weight and the associated price tag, buyers are not deterred, as they are willing to invest $1,400 for a single chair. Number 8. Acellar 185. Meanwhile, La Sommelier has taken on the challenge of creating the inaugural intelligent wine cellar. It appears that individuals with wine collections exceeding 100 bottles encounter difficulties in managing them. The conventional solution involves maintaining a record, either on paper or digitally, requiring constant updates. However, if you store your wines in L'Air cabinets, the process becomes much more straightforward. These cabinets instantly display which bottle has been taken or added. For those with extensive collections, it is possible to purchase and link multiple cabinets to access all data conveniently on your smartphone. The EL 185 cabinet model can accommodate 185 bottles and offers temperature settings ranging from 5 to 20 degrees Celsius. This sophisticated solution is available for a price of $4,230. Number 9. Window Well Cover. Handy Manny performs an equally valuable role in manufacturing and installing covers for window wells. Window wells serve the purpose of illuminating and ventilating basements and first floors. However, when these wells are left unprotected, they often become open dumping grounds. Handy Manny solutions not only shield them from debris, but also safeguard against dirt, precipitation, and even unnecessary heat loss. The extent of protection depends on the customer's preferences and capabilities. For instance, a standard Handy Manny metal grating can support a load of 136 kilograms, and the matte protective screen allows 98% of light transmission while preventing the entry of snow and rain. Number 10. Marquilux ES1. Presenting the Marquilux ES1 awning, a spacious 6.5 by 3 meters in size. In line with its delivery box, this awning seamlessly integrates with smart homes. Enhance its functionality by adding vibration lights, wind and rain sensors, LED lighting, and infrared heating. The incorporated spring system guarantees the perfect tautness of the canvas. Crafted from rust-resistant steel, it is an ideal choice for seafront locations, unaffected by corrosion and seawater. The Marquis, priced at $7,450, combines innovative features with durable design for a versatile and technologically advanced outdoor solution. Transform your space with this awning that not only provides shelter but also complements modern living with its smart home compatibility and customizable features.